What's going on YouTube? Rescues94 here, bringing you another mini painting video. Now, if you are a fan of Critical Role, this is a good video to check out, because we are doing a Verdant Guard. Now, the Verdant Guard are, well, they're the guard of Singorn, which is I'm pretty sure it's a predominantly elf city in Exandria. Featured in campaign 1, I believe the father of Vax and Vex is located there. I could be wrong about that. But yeah, so this is one of the Critical Role minis that have come out recently from Wizards. And this is a Verdant Guard Marksman. So kind of going off of how it was painted and how everything is described, we're going to be using some greens that I have picked out here. We have the Troll Skin and Feywild Emerald from Army Painter's D&D run. Then I've got some browns here. We've got Dirt Spatter from Army Painter, Wood Stain Brown from Reaper, and then OTU Brown from Army Painter D&D line again. And then I also have Fair Skin and Silver Dragon to do the elf's face and the metal bits on his body. So yeah, that's about it for that. Let's get to painting. Alright everybody, it is finished. Our Verdant guard is done. I am loving it. How it turned out. So here's the big reveal. Here's the big reveal. I have to turn this light off. There you go. There you can see it. How pretty. One thing I want to say, the molding on this was really bad. So it looks great from this side, and then you get to look at its actual face, and I don't know if you can see it. Another elf that doesn't have its ear on this side, so I don't know if there's a lot of wizards molds like that, but yeah. His chin is, I don't know what happened to it. It's like a double chin. You can almost see it. It's supposed to be kind of like pretty prominent. Like, I don't know, here. You guys can see. Yeah, it's supposed to be way more prominent than what it is. But whatever. Anyway, as you guys can see here, the shadow wash on the actual cape really helped out. Actually, so you can see it. I know his hair is white. I kind of hate painting with light colors because of that, but whatever. Just yeah, I don't know. So you can't see his face, his hands, but it turned out really well. I love the contrast and greens. I love the browns. Definitely one of my favorite elves I've painted so far. Again, this is a Verdant guard, Marksman technically, as you saw from that. That is a critical role thing. If you're not familiar with critical role, I recommend it. It's a great campaign. They're in campaign 3 now. I think I mentioned that at the beginning of this, or in another video on Monday. I can't remember. Go watch it. They're both about Critical Role, Mondays and todays. So yeah. But yeah, fantastic. Love it. Not really a lot to say about it other than the defects from the molding. Pretty average figure, and I can't wait to start the next one. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, you want to see more me painting Critical Role characters, content, let me know. Leave a comment, hit that thumbs up button so I know that you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.